Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change your mouse settings, or how it appears in the desktop. First click the search button, and then search mouse. After getting the results, this is how it's going to appear. Now go on mouse options. This is the results you will get. This is what you will get, on how you want your mouse to go, either fast or slow, so let's make it fast. Then click on apply. As you can see, our mouse has started moving fast, so now let's reopen our options. Then click pointer options. Now if you slide down you will see that there many options are we can make our mouse appear, so if you click on here, you can see that suddenly our mouse's appearance changed. And also some people like to forget that they've pressed Control, so I'm gonna show you the way you can help yourself getting notified that they have clicked Control. So if you click here you will enable a target on your cursor to when you have clicked Control. So let me press Control, and now as you can see it appears on your cursor. So if you want to reverse the changes, you can always re-click on them and they will suddenly go back to normal. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe for more content.